Today we make a super short visit to Waterford, Wisconsin. Waterford is a small village of around 5,000–6,000 folks, located in Racine County about 30 minutes southwest of Milwaukee. We'll set out on foot and explore the downtown district, as well as check out the Fox River which cuts through the village. We start out on the east end of the downtown area along Main Street. We see several mixed-purpose residential properties, serving up insurance, accounting, real estate, and such. As we continue along Main Street, we see several old brick and mortar and wood frame structures with various small businesses. Many of these old structures have landmark status. You got your local scratch and dent repair shop? Ooh, PBR, eh? Arts Town Tap. Let's head down to the 10 Club Park on the Fox River. Nice little park on the river. There's the library on the west bank. We continue west on Main Street on the other side of the river. Oh, that's a really good price, relatively speaking. We end our walk at Uncle Harry's Ice Cream Parlor. The building was originally built as a gas station back in the 1930s. It was converted to an ice cream parlor in the 80s. That about wraps it up for a super short visit to Waterford, Wisconsin. Good day.